Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix notification badges count incorrect on this device. So here you can see on the Messenger application there is number 4. That means there is 4 unread messages are there. So if this shows incorrect, so let me show you how to fix the notification badges count incorrect. First of all, you need to clear the cache of that application. Okay. To clear the cache, simply press and hold the app icon. Tap on icon on the top right side. Scroll down. Here you can see the option storage. Tap on this one. At the bottom, you can see two options, clear data and clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache. First of all, you need to do this one. And after this one, you need to check the batch settings. For this, go to settings. Tap on notifications. Tap on advanced settings. Tap on app icon badges. Turn on this option. Incorrect batch count often occur after app updates. Refreshing app data usually resolve the issue. Simply in this way we can fix notification batch count incorrect on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.